Hey everyone, so thank you so much for first of all opening this particular video. Today I'm going to interview Iftekar Sunny Islam Sunny. So he is the founder of RetargetKit. So as you know, RetargetKit is a very popular LTD going on SaaStronautics website as of now. So today I will be interviewing him and asking him some questions like his marketing strategies, how he started RetargetKit, and everything that you need to know about him. So first of all, thank you so much for being here and welcome to this SurfSaaS show.
Hi everyone. How are you all? And thank you so much for inviting me.
Yeah. So let's start with the in this interview. So I want to ask you, like, how you started RetargetKit? Like, what was your vision behind and how you got started?
Yeah, the reasons behind it is simple. When I was working for the other company, and my wife was a blogger, and suddenly, when he worked for writing blog on Medium, suddenly he told me he need to track the how much visitors he is coming and where from it. So he needs a something tracker, and he used for the other tools, and it looks really cool. And we found the some bug and some issues, and we always need to reach out to them to fix them, so that she can work the properly with his link shortener. And when we check this, there is a lot of work and use the potentials. We just make a prototype only for her, and suddenly it's grow, and we launch in product hunt and getting some kind of the traction. Yeah, we get some business on there, and that's how the retargeting is growing
Okay.
and comes in.
So you mentioned you were a blogger, right? So
No, I'm not a blogger. My wife was a blogger. I'm
okay,
just a
okay,
programmer.
okay. You are programmed. So how like so what? Let me tell you. Like, what is the number one hurdle? Like you discovered, like she is looking for some RetargetKit thing, right? Software that is
Yes,
compared to RetargetKit. Then how you get idea?
exactly.
Like why not you tried some market alternatives? You did not got any kind of alternative for it.
Yeah, I got to the few alternatives. Most of them are the only the shorteners thing,
Yeah.
and suddenly we need some biolinks, and we look for these other tools, and that's growing. So why not build something in the same tools, and that was the idea on that time.
Okay, so you started at that time, and the thing is, like, you are into this retarget case business. Like, what is the number one hurdle that you got while, like, when you are starting with the retarget kit? Like, what is the number one hurdle you got while you are developing this or in the entire process?
Yeah, first other thing was I'm not a marketer,
Hmm.
and the tools is hardly integrate for the marketer and affiliate marketer.
Yeah.
Uh, if you say that most of this affiliate marketer, and I'm not an affiliate marketer, and when I develop for tools for the others, I have to learn for them how they react, how they use it, and everything as much as possible. And that was the first the hardest thing for me, how they think.
Yeah.
And that was the hardest thing, how a affiliate marketer think, how a blogger think, how they want to use it. If I do this, what will be problem produce for them, what will be the greatest benefit from them. And
Okay.
all things are new for me.
Got it. So when you are designing the customer avatar, the number one hurdle was there, right? So there were no
Yes.
hurdle in programming and building that up.
No, actually, there is not a huge or harder things, except for the custom domain features and few kind of the agency specific features.
Mhm.
Their white label features, and that was mostly the hardest thing. And that's the thing that is not so too much hard actually.
Okay, so this is how you started this like this retarget kit venture. So what do you feel about it when you started? Like how you will grow it? Like you tell like you created a prototype for your wife, then you slowly grown it. Like uh, how you
Yeah.
feel like when now retarget kit is a very big brand in this LTD community specifically. If we talk about, so
Uh,
yeah.
So it was actually it was a side project. I never think people will buy it. So it was totally the side project. We never want to actually just sold it. But when we guess the market and people love it, people started buying it. Yeah, now this is comes in the business, and it's feel really great when you see the use side projects comes the now you're the income source. It's amazing.
Yeah. One more thing that I saw is like first you RetargetKit launched their LTD where they are also selling that agency plan, the bigger plan, right? Then now you launched your LCD again or SaaStronaut. So why you like launched your LTD second time?
Yeah, the whole plan was in my site when we launched our the private launch. It was full about the agency, and we offered agency, and our goal was the getting the more clients who were agency.
Yeah.
So that was the goal. So we sold almost most of our customers are agency and white label,
Okay.
and that was the first the disadvantage I noticed. And every customers I have on that time, everyone is using white label, and there is the no scope the people know about us from them because they were using white label. There is no branding us, and it's 100% white label, so there is the no chance the people know about us.
Yeah.
So that's the point on that time, and I'm hungry about the people who use the retarget kit and promote us. So that's why we launched on SaaStronautics, and also the specifically the two plans that's people use for the personal, and they want to use as our affiliate program. And that's the reasons that we just launched the second, and without the agency plan, only personal plan on SaaStronautics.
Yeah. So you mentioned like you build it for the blogger audience. So currently, like I have seen many good integrations in there. Like
Yeah.
what do you say? What is the number one tool that can help bloggers with Retarget Kit? Why it is beneficial for bloggers?
Okay. Blogger, first of one, blogger always needs the simplest way so that they collect the leads.
Yeah.
They can use their PDF books, free PDF books, so that they can collect the leads and they can sell the page. So we have the lead generation service, and you just need to upload your PDF, Google Drive or Dropbox. Just copy this link and give it in our inside our retarget lead generation campaign, and retarget would give you a link. You just need to share it every time people want to download it. They have to
Mhm.
provide you their email address and social profile details, and you get this email. And RetargetKit also have their email integration service. Every email comes in RetargetKit, you can automate it to your email provider. You can send them offer from them. And there is other cool features for them blogger who want to their own branding. Just if they want to brand their Instagram, we have the bio link support. If
Yeah.
they want to their email list up to date content, they can use our curated page so that they can share the curated blog post and contest on their industry to their audience.
Yeah. Very good feature actually. So basically, like I have seen that a post pack URL thing, right, in Retarget Kit.
Yeah, exactly.
So that is I think very beneficial thing. Like when you are like the conversion tracking pixel. So that is I think
Yeah,
the number one thing that helps in like to create a good campaign for blogging audience for Facebook marketers actually
yeah,
because they are relied on that
yeah,
Facebook pixel thing. Like they can use that pixel to track their visitors. So that's I think the number one
yeah,
thing that I loved about Retarget Kit. And
yeah,
currently you told like you most of the clients are agency clients, right?
yeah, exactly.
So, like, what is their usage? If you wanna reveal, like, what are the use cases they are using? Because,
Agency use cases.
yeah,
So you were asking about the agency use cases, how they
yeah,
use.
like how your customers are using it. Because I think you keep on tracking like how your customers are doing with
Yeah,
retarget kit. Because I know if the most of the retarget kit customers are from agency, then most of the people that are watching this video will be also a agency client, right? So this will help them.
yeah, yeah. There's a few categories agency as far I tracked them. One category is they don't sell their service to the Fiverr and Upwork,
Hmm.
and they have the mostly they pick their client from their own local network.
Yeah.
Most of them coming from their country, and they are selling the retargeted service as their own service. So like I said, he get the some customer so for their maintaining their Instagram profile, and they start to using retarget kit and provide them service from directly from retarget kit.
Okay.
And second category is they do not provide the directly service themselves. They directly uh, selling their client account as subscription. Like I said, they're using the retarget kit and they pay monthly.
Yeah. So a very good way to cover up the all the investment.
Yeah, all the investment. And if you look up this different groups, you see the retarget kit is one of the most valuable agency plan in LTD,
Yeah, that's
and
true.
we sell it. Yeah, people are demanding is for the 4x high price.
Yeah, I have seen. And have you allowed the reselling of the LTD? I think you do not allow that.
Yeah, exactly.
Mm. So still people are selling it. Okay. So are you taking any actions for those folks, or you are just leaving them?
Sorry,
I
cannot get it.
like you are having some strict guidelines who are selling the lifetime deal of retarget kit.
Yeah, if they sell, if they want to sell, they can. We never force them to not selling, but it's not the ideal solution. Maybe you get the double or triple money.
Yeah.
But if you think about the long time, you if you want to selling the service, $15 or $20 per month for you the 12 account. Within the 2 months, you get all the money
Mm.
after the 2 months. If you want to
Okay.
sell it, the
For long term vision is a very good thing, like to sustain
yeah,
that thing.
exactly.
And what are the marketing strategies you are using? As I saw, like the last time you did a private launch on your site, right? Because
Yeah, exactly.
last time I did not know, got to know about your launch. Like I was very active in communities. When your launch ended, I got to know, okay, Retarget Kit was someone that got launched. So what are the marketing strategy you used at that particular time?
The marketing strategy was just simple, so, and few people knows me on my network, and they just don't know me that the retarget kit exists, and the whole plan was the moving retarget kit first, so that people knows the retarget have the one agency plan features. So if I go to the large audience in a community, we have to choose
Yeah.
the pick the right people who have the value in their market, who and people listens from them. So we choose the affiliators on that time
Mm.
and right affiliators who has the value on the market in our marketing niche, and just we spreading as a word of mouth, and that's the whole plan. Only word of mouth, some content, and that's it.
Yeah, and you are also leveraging content marketing. Like I read a few blogs by Retarget Kit. So how it's going?
Yeah,
Like mostly, I guess one was that switchy versus retarget kit post, right? Switchy alternative. I think that is to attract
yeah,
some switchy audience. And how it's going
yeah,
from your content marketing side?
yeah. It's really well, and every time we share this alternative with competitor, their customers, at least one time they want to see what's going on these sites and what's
Yeah,
wrong on their own product.
yeah, this is
And
true. Like when I saw that, right, switchy versus retarget kit, I got to introduce the retarget. I think like I'm using switchy. Like what is this retarget kit thing?
yeah,
So I instantly gone there.
yeah, it's just making our competitor clients a curiosity, so that they read, and we try to force them to when they read and motivate them. What's this problem on this tool, and what is the benefit of our tool?
Yeah.
And that's the plan in this blog post.
Okay. If I talk about Retarget Kit team, how many people are there in Retarget Kit team and what are their roles?
Yeah, in development, I'm the single persons,
Yeah.
and I have the another one, but he is not actively working on this project. And there is the four other pupils who is working on the marketing and the content side.
Okay. So, recently I interviewed Daud Khan from Pixelad, right? So he's was also a developer team, and other writers. Like same thing, like you both are having very similarities in between.
Yeah.
So, uh, like currently the retarget kit is like what is the MRR if you talk about what is the MRR of current MRR of retarget kit?
Yeah, current number is the four digits. So I don't explore the what's the exactly number, but it's four digits.
Okay, and how much you sold? Like how I'm not talking about the money part. How much users you acquired by doing this LTD? Because like I also mentioned in one of my podcasts that most of the companies launch LTD first. They want to cover up their initial investment, or like they just wanna have some initial users. So what is your
Mhm.
opinion for that?
Yeah, we get first of one I told you is it's what the agency plan. So so we cannot like as the huge customers. We focus on the lowest customers with the highest price.
Yeah,
So
quality.
yeah, we need the high quality with the low amount of customers.
Yeah. Okay, got it, got it. And as I saw, like you did very partnerships with this SaaS affiliates. Like how you reached out to them? Like you reached out to them, or they reached out to you? Like what is your feature to attract those affiliates for retargeted promotions?
Sorry, I don't get your
Okay, so
from.
as I said, like you are having very big affiliates, like from SaaS industries that are promoting retarget kit. So how you attracted them?
Mhm.
Like what is your strategy to like attract them to promote the retarget kit?
Yeah. First I figure out the friends of friends
Yeah.
at the as a first place, and I get them because affiliate side is not from the mine side, and I don't know the heavily of the most of affiliators. So I go to first the friends of friends, and when I talk with them, I show them that how these tools work. What is the real benefit that they can use the retargeting as an affiliate marketer, and tell them the to use at least for the 2 days. After 2 days, they say, "Wow, that's really awesome. I really like it. I already unsubscribed from the few the monthly tools," and and that's how they start the promoting. Actually, one thing I really love about the affiliators, affiliator does not promote the every product.
Yeah,
They
true.
promote only that product if they'll like it. And if you search for the retarget kit, you will get a lot of video of our affiliators. And one of the video Rishi told, maybe you know who Rishi Jain.
Yeah, I know.
Rishi Jain, Rishi Jain tells, I just unsubscribed the click magic only for retarget kit.
Yeah, I saw that video, I guess. Yeah, I saw that video where he's telling I'm canceling my Click Magic subscription. Then he started the that video. I have saw that. I think. I guess. Yeah.
Yeah,
On Facebook, I saw. I think on Facebook, I saw that video.
yeah.
So, like, what a feeling you get like when he's so like his Click Magic. I think is the number one thing right now. The Click Magic.
Yeah, click magic really is an awesome tool.
Yeah.
And if you the look for the affiliate, it's awesome. And we have the more core features from the click magic. I don't think you will know it or not. We have the bot protections, A/B
Yeah.
testing, geo targeting, and there's a cool other features such you will see in this click magic.
Yeah, so that's the thing, and I want to ask you something. When was the time like you think like you need to quit this while you're developing retarget kit or something? Like when are the time you feel about it? Like I need to quit this. Like I never asked this question to someone, but I saw like many people like I was checking one of the interview. I was listening to one of the podcast and I see like what is the time when you are like you are end to quit about retarget kit and what you stopped. Have you any situation in your life when you are think like I need to quit this thing?
Okay, quitting is it depends on actually. For me, there is no way to quit. First of thing, I use it.
Yeah,
If nobody use it, I'm the first customer. So I have to for myself. I have to now run this because uh, we know the really love these tools, and in RetargetKit we are using this in for the every business. So there is no actually way for the quit, and we almost set for the next 3 years. Next we are really set for the next 3 years after LTD. So no
Yeah.
way.
And the next thing is, what is the number one mistake you have done, like in retarget kit? But that you saw, like, this is my number one mistake. If I do not do this, we have been growing so far. Or what is the number one mistake?
Okay, there is many mistakes.
Yeah,
I don't know the which one tell. Uh,
like,
First mistakes as a first founder, I feel when you build a tool, never make a lot of features in this tool. One tool do for the one specific task, not the entire system. And like it's a retarget kit, we have the bio link, curated page, lead generations, the 6 major core features. And maybe you don't know the how much hard is maintaining.
yeah.
It's really hard. It's really hard.
So, like, maintenance is one of the most thing. Like maintenance and maintaining the support. Like, I think the retarget kit is having very good knowledge base as well.
Yeah,
And
it's really hard.
yeah, how many customers you are serving right now? If it, one RV, like 100, 500, 1000, 2000.
Okay. If you ask me, the paid customer is it's almost 1,000.
Okay.
It's almost
Okay.
retail
So,
TD, it's almost 1,000.
when is the time like you got in the rush? I think when you launched your LTD, people started purchasing it. You got a rush, like people asking for support, asking how to do this, right? I
Yeah.
think that is the most hardest time I talked with many LTD founders, and like everything is good, but the support rush is when you launch a tool, like customers go here, like they purchase, and they are just keep on asking us questions, and we keep on replying, keep on while our like delay time increases, like, you know. So I think that is the number one time that you are like people are rushing towards it. And would you like to mention any other mistake that you done inside the target kit venture?
Yeah, that is the first one mistakes, and second one mistakes are when you just first working on integrating the multiple service. We don't the focus on the any specific niche, any specific target like today.
True.
So we go for the all customers. All customers, that means RetargetKit solves for the content marketer, RetargetKit solves for the affiliate marketer, RetargetKit will solve for the email marketer, and we build this system so that it can solve all of them. And end of the day, we realized
You can't
no,
make
a tool
everyone
cannot
happy.
solve everyone.
You can't
Yeah,
make
I cannot
everyone
make
happy.
everyone happy. And if I want to make everyone happy, it will grow within the few years. And that was my the second mistake. Never try to make happy everyone.
Like, there is a very popular quote in marketing that if you're trying to sell everyone, you will be not able to sell a single person.
Yes,
Be specific.
exactly.
So what I guess
Yeah.
is like, if I talk about I have tested the target kit, I guess content marketers and more specifically like the affiliate guys, right, will be the
Yes.
profitable zone for retarget kit.
Yeah. RetargetKit current movement is totally for the affiliate market specific, and when I experiment with a lot of things. I talked with a lot of people how they use, how they don't, and I saw this RetargetKit is the fully fit for affiliate marketer who really do for the YouTube video content marketing and other stuffs and everything. Then it now in the RetargetKit, and if you ask me the who, yes, it's for the only totally for the affiliate marketer now.
Yeah. So are you planning to develop a WordPress plugin of retarget kit?
No, currently no plan for WordPress plugin.
So what I feel is like, I'm using that. My site is hosted on WordPress, and currently, I think I'm using that switchy for my short URLs. Okay.
Mhm.
So the number one
Mhm.
hurdle that I face is like what I need to do. Like for my blogging purpose, I'm having like surfsas.com/go, then that thing, like the URL where I want to send them. And then I am using Shehraj.link for the and that switchy thing. So basically to troubleshoot like thing, like I'm using the to for SEO benefits as well, right? I'm using the internal links, like internal URLs for that kind of thing. But what I get see is like if RetargetKit launched their like a platform on the on WordPress, like if you have you can like currently I can't integrate my WordPress domain into RetargetKit, right? But if you create a system something like that, like wherein inside WordPress, like someone create a URL, like that also reflects inside RetargetKit, maybe something like that.
Oh, so you were asking for your WordPress blog link or affiliate link inside your content.
Yeah, something like that, like a RetargetKit plugin, like where I can create a where that helps to create a URL. Let me showcase you. Like I think I need to create a little presentation over here inside the video. So let's suppose my domain is subsas.com, right? But if I want to use RetargetKit, I need to purchase a separate domain or need to use subdomain. So for this case, I am having this. Okay. But what if the retarget kit launches a plugin, right? That helps to integrate, like where you can create like something like that /go subsite.com/go slash any plug slash anything, right? So maybe this will be a very good integration, and you will be able to like make happy your blogging audience. Plus, this will also give you an edge because no one is doing that WordPress plugin thing, right? And if you are creating like /go, this is I think not a big deal. But I'm not from a programming like from that background. But still, if you talk about, what do you think about it?
Yeah, I have to think how systems work, and I have so I saw in something WordPress plugin looks like that, maybe trusty affiliate, maybe
Mhm.
something you
Yeah,
were showing.
something like that. Something like you can touch a new market with it.
Yeah. So okay, maybe we can talk the
Mhm.
after
Still
that.
a team meeting, then many things has to be happen. So I'm
Yeah.
heading toward one last question, like what is the marketing advice, like if you want to tell, like if there is a SaaS venture or SaaS founder who want to start, what is the marketing advice you want to give them? Like you told like you were focused on affiliates and word of mouth, so what is your marketing advice to them?
Okay. I'm not a marketing guy,
Yeah, I know.
but what I learned the last 2 years is few things I really learn about. One thing I already told, and never build something that will offer everything.
Mhm.
Second thing I learned, lower your costs as much as you
Yeah.
can. And third thing I learned, uh, when you are growing from the start without funding, and you have to choose for the two thing. Don't go for the payers from day one. Choose the all the free resources, free way you can get the traffic, like as the content,
Okay, got it.
uh,
So
out of mouth.
mhm. So what you wanna tell is like focus on word of mouth publicity and focus on like reduce your expenses until you be profitable, right?
Yes, exactly. Until
Okay,
you will be profitable, and never hire the huge people. Yeah,
true.
huge people from the I get money from LTD. I need to hire the 10 people to make it. Bro, it doesn't work. You burn your money too fast, and if you do not get money, you will die.
Yeah. So you need to be sustainable, create a sustainable business, right? Yeah. So that's all about for this particular
Yes.
interview, guys. So you can follow and check out the Retarget Kit. My affiliate link will be given below for Retarget Kit, and you can just go ahead and check it out and explore the feature that you want to give out. So and thank you so much to you, Sunny, for having to have. to have you. Like
Yeah,
it's
thank
been
you
a
too.
pleasure to host you today.